If you're doing hundreds of crunches every day, stop. Because that's not how you get a six-pack. You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. And you definitely don't need 20 different exercises. You only need 5. First, leg raises. This is one of the most powerful exercises for your lower abs. And your lower abs are usually the weakest and hardest to develop. Next, crunches. Now everyone knows crunches, but almost no one does them correctly. They go fast. They pull their neck. That's why they don't see results. Instead, go slow. Lift your shoulders off the ground and squeeze your abs at the top. Plank. This exercise looks easy until you do it properly. Keep your body in a straight line. Don't let your hips drop. Don't raise them too high. Tighten your core and hold that position. If you're shaking, that's good. That means your core is working. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Next, mountain climbers. This is where things change. Because getting a six-pack isn't just about building abs. It's about revealing them. And that means burning fat. Mountain climbers increase your heart rate while still keeping your core engaged. Drive your knees forward quickly, but stay controlled. Don't bounce around. Stay tight. Do this for 30 to 45 seconds. Now the final exercise, bicycle crunches. This one targets your entire core, especially your obliques. Bring your elbow to the opposite knee and twist your torso. Don't just move your legs. Slow it down. Control every rep. Feel your abs working on every twist. Do 15 to 20 reps per side, back to back. Now here's how to put everything together. You're going to do all 5 exercises, no long breaks. After you finish all of them, rest for 60 seconds. Then repeat the entire circuit again. Follow for real results.